So this next thing is the introduction to Octopus's Garden, and that uses this E pentatonic scale. So the notes of E pentatonic start with your pinky, 1 3, 1 3, 1 3, 1 4. In the introduction, you'll recognize sounds like this. Sorry. Right? We're using pentatonic notes. So we're using the notes like this. But not everything is going to fit in this pattern where we don't shift at all. So here's what we do to play it. It starts with 1 3 on the 4th string, and then 1 3 on the 3rd string, and then you're going to slide up and use your second finger, your middle finger, to play the 13th fret. The same note as this if we were doing the scale down in this pattern, but we're shifting. Land on that with your second finger, your middle finger. The reason you do that is because now you can use your 1st and your 3rd finger to play a 12th fret on the 2nd string and 14th fret on the 2nd string. And you can come back down. And you can slide with your second finger when you're going on the way back down, and then use your 1st finger to grab the 9th fret. So here's the first section. Second finger. One more time. Go ahead and pause and work on that. Here's the second part. It starts the same way. Just like that, we get to our second finger. Then the next note is going to be 1st finger on the 12th fret. So the intro is the same. And you go 1st finger, 3 1. 2, and then you slide it. 1 3 1 2. And then we go 1st finger on the 10th fret, 2nd finger on the 11th fret. We play both the 2nd and the 3rd strings at the same time. You slide up 1 fret at a time. So here's this last part. After you do the slide up, those 2 strings at the same time, sorry, I usually do this really fast. So then the very last little line, which sounds like this. You do the slide up, and then it's going to be your 3rd finger on the 14th fret, 2nd string, and then your 2nd finger on the 3rd string. Same notes that we've been using, we're just skipping one. Right? 3rd finger, 2nd string, and then the 2nd finger, 3rd string. And now we're going to finish out using more notes in the pentatonic scale going lower. So you're going to go 3 1 3 1, and then with your 3rd finger on the 5th string, you slide down 3, slide it, and then your 1st finger. you do slides into the 7th fret on the bottom string. So coming from back here, 3rd finger, just like that. Here's the whole thing slow. That's the first part. Here's the second part. Happy practicing!